And coming up, we'll take a closer look. Megan, good morning.
Hey, good morning, Christina. Taking a look outdoors right now, you can see through the Pawtucket area, things are moving smoothly as you're traveling north and southbound here. You can see that there's still a couple more cars that are heading southbound into the city. And otherwise, though, you can see that it'll be a nice commute. There's going to be dry conditions. And like Christina's been mentioning, it actually did feel really nice as you headed outside. I didn't even need a jacket, but I grabbed one instead just in case. As far as your commute goes on 195, you can see through the East Providence area, that's going to be a smooth commute as you travel east and westbound there. Northbound from Route 4, perhaps heading onto 95 and then heading in either direction. Nothing's in your way. We'll take a closer look in just a little bit, but for now, over to you guys.
All right, I'll take it from here.